Hey, I'm Todd Helm with RUPES USA, and today we're going to talk about the HRL75 BigFoot Mini with iBrid technology. The HRL75 represents a whole new way of thinking for RUPES in designing a tool specifically for edge work polishing. There's a number of drawbacks we have found in interviews and years in the industry with technicians when doing edge work and spot repair. One is the ergonomics. Traditional polishers force you to hold your hand in uncomfortable positions and sometimes even force you to lift edges of the pad off the paint. We know with random orbitals, we always want to keep that pad flat to the paint. So what that required is a new innovative shape design or form function that allows you to do that. This polisher can be used as a one-handed polisher, as a palm down sander style polisher, or a two-handed polisher. The result is that you always stay comfortable while getting maximum efficiency. Using the mini iBrid is easy. For wet sanding, set it around speed 1 or 2 and remove deep defects. And then to remove your paint defects, turn the iBrid Mini up to speed 3 or 4, put on the appropriate RUPES pad and polishing compound, and go over the area a few times. In addition to increasing the versatility of this tool, we've added iBrid technology. iBrid technology was originally developed by RUPES in 2015 for our Nano polisher, and the Mini represents our first attempt at bringing it into a larger platform. So you can use this tool either corded or battery powered. The battery runtime is about 35 to 40 minutes wide open. And then additionally, it only takes about 30 minutes to charge it. So as long as you cycle the batteries, you'll always have the power to polish away swirl marks and scratches. If you want to change it up, you can switch in the adapter and run it corded. So the versatility and ergonomic design really make the BigFoot Mini the ideal edge work and spot polishing tool. This is one that takes polishing and makes it even more comfortable. We know you're going to love using it. The BigFoot iBrid Mini is available either as a tool or in a kitted form that comes with the pads and polishes that you need to get started right away. And all of this is available at Autogeek.com.